Hi guys, this is a cleaning motivation and I'm going to be cleaning, getting my weekend started. So if you need some cleaning motivation to get your weekend started, stay tuned. I'm doing some cleaning in my kitchen, my master bathroom, just a whole bunch of cleaning. If you are new here, my name is Ivy. I am a wife and mom of 4 older kids. And on my channel you will find cooking, cleaning, decorate with me's, hauls, fashion, pretty much anything that I'm interested in. I have done some of everything on my channel. I have been on YouTube for 11 years, so I'm always experimenting and trying new things on my channel. So stay tuned and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell so you don't miss another video. I also love to do collabs with some of my really close friends here on YouTube, so you'll see that on my channel as well. So let's get into this video. I am just cleaning up my kitchen, something that I normally do once my day loves, the kids that I keep sometimes have gone home. I will usually clean up from lunch or from breakfast, because I try to keep my focus on them so I don't worry about the kitchen, constantly worrying about the kitchen being perfect during the day. So right now I'm just cleaning up the kitchen, which I may do another daily cleaning routine because I like to really clean like right after they leave. That's when most of my cleaning takes place. But right here I'm just loading probably from breakfast and lunch once today was over with. So right here I am going to be trying to use up this Dollar Tree, oh it's not Dollar Tree, Dollar General spray, and as you see it wasn't working, so I just grabbed something else. This is some spray that I put together. It's probably something from the Dollar Tree diluted with water. But I'm just cleaning off the counters. I just grabbed something because I'm already filming and I don't want to go stop the video. So I'm just wiping off my counters and my stove. And in my next video, you will not see the Papa John's pizza box. I think in the last video it was in there too. But I'm cleaning my stove and just straightening up after a full day. Why did I have to break it up? Guess I was just a young girl living in a dream world. I thought that I'd be better off, but now I pay the price I do. So now I'm spraying the bathtub with this Dollar Tree bathroom cleaner, and using Lysol spray. These are the wipes that I got from my grocery store, and they are disinfectant wipes because they didn't have any Clorox bleach wipes. So I just grabbed these, and they smell kind of like bleach. So I'm just cleaning this bathroom, getting it nice and clean like normal. Telling me about your secrets. I dream and fantasize that I come by your house, telling you about my regrets. Why did I have to break it up? Guess I was way too shallow, my mind was way too narrow. I thought that I'd be better off, but now I pay the price I do. I don't know how to forget you, I can't forget you, you're always on my mind. I'm cleaning the mirror off with the Dollar Tree. I should have made this a Dollar Tree cleaning product video. The Dollar Tree window cleaner, and I'm going to vacuum in here, just straightening up. My girls were home this week, so they've kind of been keeping up with this bathroom. So I'm just straightening up this bathroom a little bit more and I realized I haven't really done anything like straightening up the foyer in a video in a while, so I'm going ahead and gonna clean up the foyer.
I don't know how to forget you. I can't forget you. You're always on my mind. I do the things that I should do, so I can't forget, but you're always on my mind. Thought you'd be gone by tomorrow, but you're still there tomorrow, and the next day, the next day. I wish I wouldn't remember how you make me feel better in the best ways, the best ways.
So now I'm cleaning my master bathroom, and I'm using these wipes to just wipe down the counters and the sink.
The reason why we chose to say goodbye, but I can't help my feelings. Right now, I can't deny you never left my mind, and now my heart is bleeding. Why did I have to break it up? Guess I was just a young girl living in a dream world. I thought that I'd be better off, but now I pay the price. I do. I don't know how to forget you. I can't forget you. You're always on my mind. I do the things that I should do, so I can't forget, but you're always on my mind. Thought you'd be gone by tomorrow, but you're still there tomorrow, and the next day, the next day. I wish I wouldn't remember how you make me feel better in the best ways, the best ways. When I lay down at night, I miss you by my side.
So now I'm taking the trash out, what I normally do in these videos, and putting a new bag in. Then I'm going to clean the toilet with some bleach spray and this bathroom cleaner.
My mind was way too narrow. I thought that I'd be better off, but now I pay the price. I do. I don't know how to forget you. I can't forget you. You're always on my mind.
Then I sprayed the shower, which normally, recently I've been spraying this and just leaving it, but in this video I sprayed, and I also wiped the glass.
Tomorrow and the next day, the next day. I wish I wouldn't remember how you make me feel better in the best ways, the best ways. I know why we say goodbye, but can we turn that bye into hello? I know how to love you now. No matter what I do, I can't let go. I don't know how to forget you. I can't forget you. You're always on my mind. I do the things that I should do, so I can't forget, but you're always on my mind. Thought you'd be gone by tomorrow, but you're still there tomorrow, and the next day, the next day. I wish I wouldn't remember how you make me feel better in the best ways, the best ways.
And now I'm just using a mop to clean the shower.
Oh, we're living in the present.
And I have my mini vacuum out, and I just use this to sweep, which I'm glad I'm starting to pull this thing out again, because sometimes sweeping gets on my nerves. So you just pull this out, clean the filter out, just plug it in, and sweep up the stuff off the floor. So I'm over here now on the other side, and I want to thank you guys for being here and watching, and I hope you got some motivation, and have a blessed and safe weekend, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.